ball. Elongated teardrop, a little more skinny on the end so that his hat can flop on over. Okay, put your thumb in here and kind of pinch that. So either thumb inside or fingers and thumb on the outside, or vice versa, to cause just that little bit of a, just so it will fit to his head if you have that inside there. Just place that on over, bring all this down, and then I'm just giving his hat like a little twisty, like so. And then we'll put the fur around that and go from there. Okay, so a cord, use the texture tool. Little water. And start in the front. Let's make it a little thinner. See where I get the red on there? I had some on the back too. You can just take a little water and wipe that off. And just bring this around the back. Get that black out of there. Okay, he's looking better now that he's got that on. Santa always looks better with a hat on. Okay, and then he needs a little ball of fur here on the end. And I'm going to end up putting, I think, a little bit of holly on his hat because he needs it. Okay, mittens. So we need a little bit of green. Just happen to have it here. Already colored. Gotta love that nice color green. And red and black. Perfect for the holidays. Okay, we'll go ahead and knead this on up. Alrighty. And we're going to do a ball and then a teardrop. Okay, then I'm going to flatten that a little bit, and he's going to have this hand here. I'm going to make a thumb here. I'm going to press in at the side and then roll down. Okay, and then just bend that a little bit. And then this will go right inside there. Ball, teardrop, flatten that a little bit. His thumb needs to be up here. So in at the side, roll down that way. Okay, and then what I'm doing is I'm kind of pulling this out because this is the one he's waving. So I want to bend that a little bit. This can go right over that skewer. I think that might be, it looks a little big. Okay, ball, teardrop, flatten that a little bit. Thumb way over here, push in, roll down, and then pull this out and kind of bend that down a little. Okay, over. There we go. Okay. Okay, I am rolling out this green. Make sure I can slide it. And I have a little plunger cutter. This is a PME Holly plunger cutter. It looks like a black fondant on my nails. That's pretty. You cut it and you move it and then push down, and that gives it the design, and then pop it out. And then it has the veining on it. So I'll take this and put it right about there. Use the back of the paintbrush to pop that on. And then we can roll a little berry for the center. Oh, that's a big berry. We want a little berry. So just a very, very, very small ball. And pop that in the center, like so. And then let's see, we need the fur, we need the eyes.